All right, today I have a Chevy Silverado and I'm going to show you how to adjust the instrument panel brightness. I'm going to show you how to illuminate it, make it brighter, and also dim the instrument panel brightness on this Chevy Silverado. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Chevy Silverado. In order to illuminate the instrument panel lights or dim them, what you'll have to do is you'll go to the side right here, all right, near the panel where the lights are, and then you'll find this, and you see there's a subtraction right here and a plus. This is for dimming the instrument panel lights, and this is for increasing the luminancy or making it brighter of the instrument panel. I can go down, 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 or I can go up right here, and this will brighten it right here. You see this? It brightens it and it dims it right here. These are the buttons, okay? All right, and that's how you do it. The brighter, the dimmer. Brighter, the dimmer. All right, I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.